This is everything that TCL is showcasing here in China, and I'm going to take you on the whole run through to make sure that you know what the latest tech is and how crazy cool it is. I'll start us off with the flagship Super Quantum Dot Mini LED TV from TCL. It's the X11L, retailing for about $16,000, but this thing is insane with 10,000 nits of brightness. It is so bright, I have to turn the exposure down on my camera just to make this look good on camera. It's super thin as well. I mean, this is a finger for scale, 2 centimeters, and that's all the way through. Doesn't have a back panel. It also has 4 subwoofers at the back, and of course audio by Bang & Olufsen. Just look at that. So we're also used to the fact that marketing spiel is everywhere. It's Super Quantum Dot this. What does it actually mean? So Quantum Dot has been around for a while, and Super Quantum Dot is what's new. What they changed is at the backlight phase, it used to be a white LED. Now it's a blue LED with a new pattern to make sure that the blooming is less. So this, coupled with their color filter, liquid crystal, and low reflection film, gives you one of the best looking displays on the market. The X11L comes in 75 inches, 85 inches, and 98 inches. And this Super Quantum Dot technology, that's the talk of the town at the moment. Something else that's the talk of the town at the moment for TCL is their gaming monitors. This is TCL's 32-inch X3A OLED Plus monitor. They're boasting 480 Hz at 1080p and 240 Hz at 4K. Of course, this includes audio by Bang & Olufsen, giving you what they are calling your private desktop cinema. These monitors also have a stunning true black anti-glare panel. And if that's still not enough to convince you, then the native 10-bit color and 0.03 gray to gray response time definitely will. And before you ask, yes, you can remove this and you can mount it. It has a VESA mount. They're bringing it in 3 different colors: the dark gray, the silver, and they're gonna hate me for saying this, but the pink. I actually think the coolest part about this monitor is that RGB at the back. I mean, it is a super thin display to start off with, but this looks amazing. And for ports, you have everything that your heart desires. I'll bring you over next to the air cons because that actually caught my attention the most. This is the TCL FreshIN, and they sold 100 million units of this device. This and this is why. This is an air purifier, and this makes it smart voice controlled. You can tell it, hey, I want it colder or hotter. And to be honest, you cannot hear this thing. One of my favorite features is the TAI energy saving and Quadro Puri filters. So not only will you save energy, you'll be breathing nothing but fresh air. Now for a brand new dad that doesn't want their kiddo to wake up because of an aircon switching on and off, this buy is a no-brainer. Now here's something interesting I think you'll like. This is what they call an interactive flat panel display. The people from TCL were so nice, they said you guys should subscribe. This is going to be the coolest thing for homeschoolers. I mean, yes, no, please go home. And then you say, sorry, but I am home. And before you tell me, Stefan, refrigerators are boring, hold on tight. This is nothing boring. It's tech on tech on tech, and some of this tech shouldn't have existed. So this is the T-Fresh system. It pulls out dirty and bad air out of your fridge, so you won't know if something is spoiled rotten inside of your fridge. It's both a good thing and a bad thing. But I think the coolest part is the fact that this temperature here is different from this temperature down here because different foods needed to be at different temperatures. This is even cooler. It's Wi-Fi enabled, so now you'll be able to change the settings of your fridge on the go on your phone. Gone are the days where you go on holiday and your fridge goes off, you don't know it, come back, disaster. Now you'll get a notification on your phone and you'll be able to tell a friend, hey, please go and fix my fridge. That's brilliant. They're also boasting with the fact that you put water inside of here and then you have fresh water coming out of there and inside of the refrigerator. It's an ice maker. That was a horrible scene, but you're just gonna have to take it. Next up is a washing machine. Just listen up real quick. This is a sensor monster. It's AI everywhere. And yes, I know we're over AI, but this is actual use case for AI. So you see this sensor and that sensor and that sensor and that sensor. All of these sensors work together. So this one picks up whether there's a lot of dirt in the water. It then tells the dispenser, hey, can you please dispense a little bit more or a little bit less detergent based on how dirty the clothes are? But it doesn't really end there. It also detects what type of clothing you put inside of it, and then it adjusts the cycle based on that. And we all do the same thing. We just throw our clothes inside of the washing machine and we put it on quick wash. I know, we all do that.
So not only do you get inflow, load and water detection, you're also using significantly less water than most traditional washing machines. And with their drum clean feature, you can actually keep your machine clean without having to use chemicals or call a technician.
So now instead of ruining your wife's delicates, your machine will know and it'll keep you safe. Because come on guys, we can do washing. I'll even show you guys something cool. Hands full, knee open, boom. But not only knee open, one of the assistants here used the voice command feature. I mean, when your hands are full, your hands are full. That's everything on display from TCL here in China. It was a super fun experience, and if you want some more information, I'll leave it in the description down below. And next up is a factory tour video from TCL showing us what a lightless factory is. A little teaser, it's a factory where only 1% of the workforce is human.